Who can fathom the mystery of a seed, so small and delicate, yet powerful enough to split rock, to withstand the elements, to find its way? Sunlight, water, and with time, the smallest transforms into the largest. But without nurture and protection, the harvest will never come. As a nation, we're seeing the effects of academic decline, spiritual suffocation, and cultural decay. Globally, the U.S. ranks 17th in science and 25th in math, and close to 60% of high school graduates fall short of college readiness benchmarks. Schools are struggling. 1 in 4 high school students admit to being offered illegal drugs and know of gang activity inside their school. 44% of U.S. adults have left their faith. And with marriage rates at a 100-year low, the institution of marriage has diminished. And the list goes on. The Association of Christian Schools International is committed to stemming the tide in developing academically prepared leaders who train young people to be wholehearted followers of Jesus Christ and engage in their churches, communities, and workplaces all around the world. With a focus on academic excellence and spiritual formation, ACSI member schools are some of the best in the world. Did you know that accredited ACSI schools academically outrank other private religious schools in their graduation course requirements? And when compared to public high schools, they rank higher in graduation rates, with those graduates going on to attain more years of higher education. Not only do ACSI schools maintain rigorous academics, they are committed to holistic growth, which means that spiritual formation is at the core of a student's life. The International Carter study found that graduates rank significantly higher than their peers in the areas of respect for authority, moral integrity and character, a long-term life commitment to Jesus Christ and to their church. The results are undeniable. And yet there are thousands of seats that go unfilled in ACSI member schools every year. That's why we invite you to consider Christian education for your child today and help us cultivate the seeds of academic innovation, knowledge, stewardship, and faith for generations to come.